Glowing skin. 10 home remedies for glowing skin. Your skin is the largest organ that you have, so you want to take care of it. Glowing skin is typically seen as a sign of health and vitality. Dull or dry skin, on the other hand, can make you feel less than your best. One. Soothe skin with virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and healing properties. But using coconut oil on your face may not work for every skin type. Do not use if you have allergies to coconut. Take off makeup. Soothe your skin barrier. Promote dewy-looking skin that's healthy below the surface layer. Research shows that coconut oil is a good moisturizer. Try massaging a small amount of coconut oil onto your face. Let it soak in for a few minutes before washing off with your normal cleanser. Aloe vera has healing properties and may stimulate new cell growth. It also soothes and moisturizes without clogging pores. Using aloe vera after you've washed your face each day may give your skin that healthy glow. It's possible to be allergic to aloe vera. Test it first by rubbing a small amount on your forearm, and if there's no reaction in 24 hours, it should be safe to use. 3. Moisturize properly after washing your face. Find purchasing options for aloe vera online. Moisturize your skin with products that lock in moisture, promote healing, and have antioxidant properties to encourage a glowing, youthful look. Don't exfoliate your skin when it feels dry, and don't skip moisturizer just because your face feels oily. 4. Wear sunscreen daily. Wearing sunscreen with an SPF of 15 or above can prevent skin cancer. Keeping your skin shielded from harmful UV rays also guards against photoaging, which is the process of skin aging. You don't want to rob your skin of moisture by washing it too often, and you don't want to encourage your pores to produce too much extra oil to compensate for too much washing. 6. Avoid smoke and secondhand smoke. When you expose your skin to cigarette smoke, you're coating your face with all sorts of chemical toxins. This ups the oxidative stress in your skin cells, leading to prematurely aged skin. If you smoke, consider your skin as another reason to quit. Washing your face after you've worked up a sweat, first thing in the morning, and right before bed is typically the sweet spot for healthy skin. The connection to drinking water and having healthy skin is still ongoing, but at least one 2015 study concluded there's a strong link between drinking more water and having healthier skin. Eating a diet that's rich in fruits and vegetables will boost the vitamins and antioxidants in your body. According to the Mayo Clinic, eating healthy fats, like fish oils, and staying away from processed foods with lots of preservatives may have a direct connection to healthier-looking skin. Probiotic supplements may boost your immune system, improve your digestion, reduce bloating and inflammation in your digestive tract. 9. Take probiotics. Steam and heat can open pores and help you get rid of toxins. But running hot water over your skin for more than a few minutes at a time can strip away oil from your skin, leaving it looking tired and dull. You may also consider cooling down the temperature in the latter part of your shower to improve circulation, which may give your face a more toned and youthful appearance. As an added benefit, this might even boost your immune system. Paying attention to your skin is a form of self-care that can pay off in skin that visibly glows. Sometimes stress, nutritional deficiencies, hormone imbalances, and other health conditions can make achieving